Hi everyone, very excited. We have an unboxing and I am very excited because I actually got this for my birthday and I shipped it to my friend's address and then she shipped it to our assigned PO box. So my husband company, we are here in Canada, but they assigned PO box for them so we could still buy stuff from the US. And so now it's finally here. It took, I would say, more than a month. And that's why I'm very excited. So let's get started right away. Exciting! My friend told me that she added some gifts for me and my daughter because she's turning 5 very soon. So I'm excited to see all of those, but I think for today we'll just tackle what I got from Dior and also some promo codes. Alright, here it is. Lots of Dior credit paper. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Okay. So this is, I think it's a gift with purchase that I got. We'll check that out later. She actually sent me a photo of this and it came without a ribbon, but that's fine. So this is actually the Mother's Day gift box. Very beautiful. Yeah, I'm very late with Mother's Day gift unboxing. And let's see what else we got here. Some regular stuff, and I'm assuming this is a gift for me or my daughter. We'll check it out later. This one is a gift I got from Dior that I shipped to her address. You'll see in one of my shorts that I sent this. This is actually a very beautiful box. I didn't expect it to be like a canvas material. There you go. Perfect for gifting. Okay, so here's what we got. We have this box. I'm pretty sure this is one of the gifts with purchase. And this is my actual order right here. Let's start with this. I think I remember what it is, but I'm not very sure. Oh, wow, here it is. So I got another of the bucket pouch because my sister-in-law loves it. And so I'm planning to also convert this into a shoulder bag for her. And this is awesome. If you missed this and you want to get one, I'll add the promo code information right here because this is still available, so you could still get one for yourself. Again, all the information of the promo codes and the gifts with purchase will be on this side right here. So there it is. And just in case you are curious how it looks like as a shoulder bag, this is the project I did. If you haven't seen that yet, special those new subscriber, you can check it out right here. I'll add the video and the link right here and also down the description below. By the way guys, if you are new here, my name is Kristen Flores and in this channel I am very committed to helping you to maximize your Dior beauty experience by sharing with you great Dior deals and promo codes. Alright, let's continue. Okay, I think there's supposed to be a product inside here. Let's see if we have them. And sure enough, okay, what came with this gift with purchase is the on-off cleanser. This is great when you're traveling. This is actually very basic, I would say. So I use my Capture Total cleanser every night. And I think that's so much better than this one. This is a basic facial wash. It actually reminds me of Safeguard back in the Philippines, our body soap. And it's actually the same soap I use for my face was Safeguard. And I think this one smells like that. If you're not familiar, try to put a photo right here of what that looks like. So, yeah, very basic facial wash, I would say. And I have here a sample of eye makeup remover, and this one I would say I've used the Chanel makeup remover and I like this one better. It definitely cleanses better than the Chanel, and also this does not irritate my eyes. So, and now for the actual product that I bought. Here it is. It's a little disappointed that it didn't come with a ribbon, but that's not a very big deal. Let's open it. Right, oops. I feel like I haven't done this in a while, so I'm like messing up right now. Have the Dior card as usual. I always put hello gorgeous there. And let's open this. Exciting. Yeah, I'm actually not sure what I got here. I already forgot. Oh, Now I remember. So I got another item, gift with purchase. I already got the red, and this is the black version. Very cute. It's a good size with 2 zippers. Amazing. What do you think? I'm actually thinking of turning the red one into like a swinger bag. And maybe I'll do this too. What do you think, guys? Write on the comment below if you want me to turn that into a swinger or shoulder bag. Okay, and let's just check all the gifts with purchase right now. So every order they'll have this small dust bag, and I got another Capture Total product. This is the Super Potent Eye Serum. And also I got here, as usual, I always get this one because I use them a lot, the Dior Addict Deluxe sample. And last free item, I think, is the new look. This is the latest Dior Privy collection perfume. Right here, I love this because they are great for gifting. Alright, and for the items that I actually bought, oops, we have another gift with purchase right here. Don't you just love receiving a lot of free gifts? This is the Miss Dior EDP, and I love that it's a exact miniature of the full-size bottle with the ribbon here that's similar to the full-size one. Love it. Again, great for gifting. And for the actual items I bought, this is the Essence lotion. I will film my empty bottles next time, but I love this product a lot. I use it day and night, and it's like the very first product I bought from Dior that I use and still using like 3-4 years later. So yep, I love this the first time I used it. Actually, I shouldn't say I love it the first time. The first time the fragrance was super strong. This time it's not, so I love it even more now. There you go. And then another item that I love using, you probably know already what this one is, the Dior Lip Glow. And I always get the, this is 001. So this is just the, this is like the neutral one. It just elevates the color of your lips, or enhance the natural color of your lips, I should say. Really great product. I just emptied my other one. Like I've said, I'll create a video showing you all my empty products. I think those kind of content are really great just to show you guys that whatever I'm buying, I'm actually using them. And last but not the least, this is for my sister-in-law. It's a very late Mother's Day gift for her. She asked for this one, and this is the Luminizer. So it's a bronzer, and you could also use it as a blush. So I have one that I love using. I use it every time you see me here. If you see the glow there, right here under eye and on my nose, it is my Luminizer. I don't use concealer and foundation. Just use my Madame J cream and this Luminizer. It's perfect for glowing skin. There you have it. Alright, so let's try the Luminizer. This one is Coral Glow. And like I've said, this is for my sister-in-law, and I asked for her permission to use it. So this is Coral Glow number 6, and the one I have is number 1, Nude Glow. Okay, so usually after I wash my face, I put on my Madame J tone-up cream, and I won't use any foundation and just use my Luminizer Nude Glow, like right here. So that's like the glowing effect. Love it. See that? So for the end, by the way, I also added on my nose line. There, maybe too much. There it is. And for the coral glow, I think this is best for the cheekbone. I need to be very careful because this is not mine. So this is the color. Let's see if you could see it. There you go. So that's the coral glow. It has a nice pinkish, a little bit of orange tone. And I'll just rub a little bit. And the beauty of this product is that you just need a little bit and it works really well. If you could see that. Might be too bright with my lighting, but you can see that it has that coral glow. So let me just add a little bit more right here. There you have it. So just to compare, again, this is number 6 coral glow. You can see that glow on my cheekbone. And this is the nude glow. See, that's how the nude glow looks like. It's like pearlized kind of color. It's what I use right here and on my nose line. Alright, let's go back to our video. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in this quick Dior beauty unboxing. And if you are currently shopping for Dior products, there are a couple more promo codes that you could use. This one, it's the Dream Skin 48. And here are the gifts you will receive. One of the new items I could tell you is this game cards. I haven't seen it before. It actually intrigued me. I might want to buy this just because of the game cards. I remember when I was a kid, we always play solitaire. You know, back in the days, there's no gadgets. And especially in the Philippines, we don't have so much for our free time. So my father used to work at the casino, so we always have game cards, and that's what we use our spare time to do solitaires and other games with using the game cards. And another promo code is here. This is Dream Skin 48, and they returned the vanity kit for those who missed the vanity kit last week. This is also a great option. It comes with a scrunchie, a case of cotton pads, and also a face mask. So this is also a great gift for minimum purchase of $500. Good news, we just hit 1,008 subscribers, and I am genuinely grateful for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and for those who hasn't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here on this channel. We are sharing great deals, great finds, and great styles. In the coming week or weeks, I will announce a new giveaway, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe now so you don't miss out the announcement. Again, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.